Today we travel to New Orleans, Louisiana, with this $4,400,000 mansion with 5 bedrooms, 5 baths at 6,151 square foot. The hand-carved millwork in this home is absolutely stunning. This home also features magnificent marble mantels. I've always loved the homes with the fireplace in the kitchen. It creates such a cozy atmosphere, and I love that you can walk right out into a lanai. With this massive attic space, you could almost add a few other bedrooms and a bathroom if you like. This home also includes a 2,800 square foot 2-bedroom carriage house. Have you ever seen a home online and know that it just has a certain special energy to it? That's what I feel with this one. If you like this home, please hit that like and subscribe button. And also, if you have a bougie house you would like me to feature, please shoot me an email. And as always, thank you for watching.